Okay, so after importing is complete, you can go to the MarkLogic server website, your installation, which is at localhost 800. If you go to this address, you will find the document and the query console here. We can verify to see if movies have been imported correctly. We can look at the Explorer. We see right away here movies that we give the prefix movies, and they have split up the movies into lots of XML files. So you can see the subject, predicate, objects has been loaded. Certain performance has the type of performance. This performance move film is this. You could also, if you have lots of, go back to the list. If you have a lot of other things already loaded, movies may not show up here as that easy to see, and you can use a wildcard to just search anything has movie in it. This will also give you the list of the XMLs. While those are formatted in XML, this is a design decision of MarkLogic, but within XML you see RDF triples. So XML is just basically a syntax that wraps up the content of XML statements.